How to uninstall Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to remove the app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, locate the Lyft application on your home screen, just like this. Now keep on tapping onto this app, just like this. And here you can find Remove app. Tap on it. Then tap on to Delete app right here. Select it. Now to delete this, confirm that you want to delete and tap on to delete once again. And now you can see the app has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can uninstall a Lyft app. It is a very easy process, right? And if you want to reinstall it back, you can simply go to App Store and reinstall it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.